A solid yoga mat is crucial whether you practice yoga or work up a sweat with circuit training. Yoga mats assist cushion your joints and minimize slips and falls, in addition to safeguarding your floor. Furthermore, many are small and portable, making it simple to work out in a small location or while traveling. The following yoga mats in this video were chosen because of their materials, thickness, price and customers' feedback. But to see the best updated prices and find out more about these yoga mats, you can check out the links in the description. Before we start, we have a question for you. Which yoga mat are you using and would you recommend it? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. Best overall. Yoga Design Lab Infinity Mat. Our top pick is Yoga Design Lab's Infinity Mat, which is a superb selection for a number of activities due to its size and durability. The mat has extra padding and a non-slip grip to keep you safe and comfortable during your workout. It is made from sustainably sourced natural tree rubber. It also dries quickly, is simple to clean, and has a handy carrying strap. The Infinity Mat comes in 5 hues, each with a mandala graphic that users say is useful for aligning yoga stances. Number 2. Best for yoga. Manduka PRO Yoga Mat. The Manduka PRO Yoga Mat is the finest choice for serious yoga practitioners since it's grippy, easy to clean, and has a closed-cell surface that keeps sweat out. Taller people will appreciate that it also comes in an extra long size, ensuring that they don't fall off the mat during their flow. It's worth mentioning that some customers have reported that the mat is a little slick during the first few uses, which is something to keep in mind given the high price tag. Number 3. Best affordable yoga mat. Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat. The Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat comes in a variety of colors and designs and is both fashionable and economical. The mat has a textured, non-slip surface to keep you secure and steady when practicing yoga. It's also simple to clean, lightweight, and compact. Furthermore, because the mat is unusually thick, it is suitable for both indoor and outdoor yoga sessions. Number 4. Best Cork Fitness Mat. Guru's Roots Cork Yoga Mat. Cork mats are wonderful for working out since they give a solid foundation and have antibacterial characteristics that keep odor-causing germs and bacteria at bay. While some yoga mats are slick, Guru's Roots Cork Yoga Mat has a non-slip, waterproof cork top and a natural rubber bottom to keep you from slipping. It's also praised for being long-lasting and simple to clean. However, in addition to being more expensive, this mat is heavier than other options and may take a few uses to flatten out completely. Number 5. Best Outdoor Fitness Mat. BalanceFrom GoYoga All-Purpose Yoga Mat. The all-purpose yoga mat from BalanceFrom GoYoga is made of extra thick, tear-resistant foam and is perfect for outdoor sessions. The mat weighs only 0.8 kilograms and has a convenient carrying strap, making it easy to transport. It's also one of the most cheap alternatives on the market, with double-sided non-slip surfaces. Number 6. Best Interlocking Workout Mat. We sell Mats Interlocking Tiles Floor Mat. This interlocking floor mat contains individual tiles that fit together like puzzle pieces, making it ideal for a home gym or playroom. The tiles are easy to clean and are built of thick foam to reduce joint impact. Plus, by adding or deleting tiles, you can easily change the size. Customers, on the other hand, have complained that the tiles aren't as sticky as other mats and that they may detach during intensive workouts. Number 7. Best for large areas. Gxmmat Extra Large Exercise Mat. The Gxmmat Extra Large Exercise Mat is one of the best solutions for large spaces, thanks to its durable microfoam and slip-resistant surface. Customers like how the mat stays in place even during high-intensity workouts, in addition to giving lots of cushion. The mat can also be used to protect your flooring from heavy workout equipment as an added bonus. Keep in mind that it's rather hefty and doesn't roll up very easily, so it's not the best choice if you need to move it regularly. Number 8. Best for exercise equipment. BalanceFrom GoFit High Density Equipment Mat. If you have an exercise bike, elliptical, or treadmill in your home gym, this high-density mat from BalanceFrom GoFit is a good option. This mat is designed to keep your equipment from moving while protecting your floors. It also aids in the absorption of vibrations and the reduction of noise. It's one of the more cheap options, and it's simple to clean with simply soap and water. The bottom line is, workout mats are necessary for many activities because they provide safety, stability, and comfort. Because they come in a variety of sizes, fabrics, and styles, it's crucial to think about how you'll use your mat. Use this list as a jumping-off point to select the finest workout mat for you. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. Feel free to share your questions and contributions in the comment section below. And for more concise